officers. Hello, hello. Hello. Very good evening to all of you. आप सबका स्वागत है चैनल पर. So today we are here to analyze about the analysis of NABARD examinations. So अगर एग्जाम की बात करें जो कि कंडक्ट हो चुका है तो उसके शिफ्ट्स में कैसे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं तो वो मैं आपको एनालाइज करवा दूं. ठीक है, वैसे मैं आपको उसके पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस भी बता दूंगा कि किस तरीके के पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, व्हाट वाज द लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी एंड व्हाट हैज टू बी द कट ऑफ, किस तरीके का कट ऑफ डिसाइड हो सकता है. ठीक है, एक एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ देख. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले अगर मैं उसके पेपर के टफनेस की बात करूं तो पेपर काफी मॉडरेट लेवल का आ रखा था इस बार. मतलब कट ऑफ की थोड़ी संभावना ये है कि कट ऑफ विल बी हायर, मोर हायर, बिकॉज एज कंपेयर टू द प्रीवियस ईयर द कट ऑफ विल बी bit more. Okay, because the paper was quite moderate, the DI was quite easy, the simplification approximation wala part was very easy, है ना. So anybody who is studying for NABARD from past 6 months or 1 year or so can easily clear the cutoff and all. ठीक है, तो let me analyze about what are the different topics were, from which all topics the examiner has put the questions. So there was 3 question of simplification. Three question of simplification was there, out of which 2 question was of moderate level and 1 was a bit difficult. So the difficulty level over here was quite moderate. So 2 question of simplification was asked over here. Clear? And about the number series, so 3 question of number series was there. So according to the questions, this number series pattern was of all about wrong number series. Okay, this was not of missing number series, it was of wrong number series. So 3 question of wrong number series was there. Talking about the level, so here the level was damn moderate. Here 2 question was moderate and 1 question was tough according to the students. 2 question was quite moderate but 1 question was bit tough. So here a student can easily answer 1 or 2 questions out of this 2 question, and here in simplification he or she can easily answer 2 or 3 questions out of this. Clear? So this was 2 questions of simplification and number series question. Talking about data interpretation DI, about DI there were 6 questions of DI was there. 6 question of DI was there. A single DI was given, and in that single DI there were 6 questions. Generally we do have 5 questions, but here there was 6 question of DI was there, and this particular DI was consisted of a pie chart followed by a table graph. Now this was a percentage distribution of population was given, which we have already dealt with. This was percentage distribution of 5 different villages was given. So let's say this is village A, B, C, D and E. This was percentage distribution of percentage distribution of village was given, and from this DI you have to interpret the number of males and females as the number of males and females were given. This was the 5 A, B, C, D and E. Here the percentage of male was given. Let's say here the percentage of male in A is 16%, in B the number of males is 64%, and out of 100% population of B, here it was 64%, here let's say it's 22%, this is 25%. This sum will not be 100, right? Because this is the percentage of males out of the individual villages, and let's say this is 40%. So this was percentage of male given. From here there were 6 different questions, and this questions was can be divided into 3 different forms. 2 questions were damn easy, 2 questions was a basic level of question asked in this DI, 2 was moderate, and although you all know that all the questions will not be of the same level, so there were 2 questions which were tough. So any student who has given a time on DI, who has solved at least 50 or 100 questions of DI in his career, he will be doing all the 6 questions. All these 6 questions were approachable because 2 was easy, 2 was medium, mediocre, and 2 questions were tough. So a student can clear his cutoff from the DI only. Fine. So there were 6 questions of DI which can be, so from DI simplification and number series, if somebody is solving this 3 pattern, his or her cutoff can easily be cleared. Now talking about the arithmetic section, this was, so let's say what about the level of DI was I have told. So how to approach this question? Let's say there are 600 students over here. 600 was the strength of this village B, and in village B we have 60% of males. That means what? This 600 can be divided among male and female. The male population is 60%, the female will be what? 40%. This 60% is of 600, so 360 will be the male and 240 will be the female. So like this percentage distribution of DI was given. 6 question was attached with this DI, out of which 2 were easy, 2 was moderate, and 2 were low. Talking about the arithmetic wala part, talking about the arithmetic part. So in arithmetic there was one question of boats and stream. Boats and stream, you all know the boats and stream question, we have already taught it. Boats and stream pattern. So one question from boats and stream was there. One question was from ages. One question was from ages. This ages question was very easy. The ages based question was easy. One question was ages. One question was on the application of CI and SI. There was one question which was on application of compound interest and simple interest, which we have already taught in the paid batch classes, CI and SIs. One question of time and work was there. Fine. One question of rectangle. Okay, rectangle and its property. One question of mensuration was there. Rectangle and its property. Okay. So length and the area perimeter of rectangle and this area of rectangle. So one question from rectangle and its property was given, and one question was from, as usual, mixture of allegation. So one question was there, and one question was from I'm in a dilemma whether it's from profit and loss or it's from the other topic. So one question is being left out. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 questions was asked. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 questions were asked. One question of rectangle was there, one question of ages, time and work, and one question of train was also there. Okay, about the relative speed of train and all. So one question of, so here the level was quite moderate. So all together we can just say what was the level of quant which was being asked in. So it was quite moderate. That means unlike the last year, the cutoff is not going to be stagnant over there. So from last year the cutoff will increase. Definitely it's going to increase, because the reason is this particular DI. This particular DI is only able to increase the is eligible to increase the cutoff of the exam, because the level of DI was very easy. It was not funnel DI or radar DI or missing DI or DI caselets was not there. So that means this was a very basic DI. So if this is a basic DI, that means this particular DI along with this speed match will increase the cutoff from last year. So definitely the cutoff is going to be increased. So all the best from my side. Meet you soon. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.